Don't turn up that gamma.
Huh?
Don't turn up
do
that
it.
gamma.
Wait.
Don't do it. Just, no, it's fine, it's fine. Alright, there's nothing here. Nothing here. Go.
We need to find something to break it.
On that.
Oh, what's that?
Go back in the kitchen area.
No.
Go through there.
Well, my thought is it's over here.
Hey! Hey, you!
Hey, you gotta help me.
Hold on, back up. Now, sir, do you live here? I mean, is this your property?
What? Me? No. No.
All right. Now, we got several calls about some missing persons lately.
You don't understand. I gotta get out of here.
Now, calm down.
You're not listening to me. There are crazy people in this house trying to fucking kill me.
Well, all right. Let me tell you this. You don't exactly seem like you playing with a full deck yourself, all right?
Are you kidding me?
Look, like I said, we've had several missing persons calls. And I can't rule out that an outsider like yourself may not be involved.
Right. I'll tell you whatever you want.
All right. Now, that's more like it. Now, meet me in the garage. We'll talk there.
Hey, wait. You gotta give me your gun.
You must have lost your mind.
Look, officer.
Deputy.
Right. Deputy. Now, you want to see my name in the obituaries? But you want to be a hero and save my life?
Why would he do that?
A fucking pocket knife?
Here.
He can
Take
cut the tape.
That's all you're gonna get. Now go. Garage. Now.
It's like he knows the place.
Yeah.
What am I gonna do with a knife?
Come on.
Not why.
I'm not pressing Y.
Okay, I get it.
Alright. Go. Go to the tape.
Bullets?
Bullets.
It's just gonna say roll.
Why couldn't he just punch the box?
You gotta press A. And he's gonna. Clap. Nice. Hey.
Police officer's gonna be dead.
Hey, we gotta get the fuck out of here.
Now first you need to tell me what you're doing out here alone in the middle of the night.
Me? What about you?
No, it's my job. Won't you do your job and tell me? Answer my questions.
You're not gonna believe me if I told you.
Try me. Hey, put that door there. Put that door there.
What?
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Take that and leave. It's a glug. Do a gangster.
Run!
Maybe I shouldn't have done that.
Get in the car.
Go! Go up the stairs! Run!
What? Stairs.
Alright, maybe not, maybe not.
Nope.
Oh, right in there.
Where?
Get in the car. Get in
No,
the
no,
car.
no, no! What he says,
The
get in
car.
Ah.
What are you supposed to do?
Back up.
This only ends one way.
Get in the car. Get in the car. It's his car.
Hey!
You need the key.
Uh-oh.
He's only owns one.
Go!
Key!
Go! Juke him out first, go around.
You're part of the family now.
I think you made him angry.
Go. Go, go, go! Get in the car, get in the car. It's good, it's good. It's so good. Hey.
Pick up. Drive. Run him over.
Try backing out. Look, look. Look, look. Here, can I try? What? Ah! Alright, you can keep playing.
Nice ball, Ethan.
life code.
Jeez.
Let's finish this, you and I. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take you for a ride. No.
Is he dead?
Oh.
What?
How? He's okay.
Back up, Ethan, please. We're limping here. Up and down.
Okay.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh gosh.
Hey.
Oh boy, now look what you've done, motherfucker.
Nothing's happening.
This is the end, you know?
You might want to... Wait.
What?
Is he...
No, he don't look dead.
Oh, does he turn it... Wait, look at him. Is he that monster thing now?
I think he's just because he got burnt. Alright, look up that ladder.
And reload.
Up the ladder.
Up the lad. Up the...
No!
Do I have your attention, boy? You're about to see some more.
Yeah!
Fuck!
Why can't we do that?
Did he just kill himself?
Yeah, he's probably fine.
Take a peek at him. Alright.
He looks dead.
Where's our flashlight?
Flashlight, you mean?
Oh.
I know what this is.
What?
Wait, look at the back. Hey. Open it up. Oh, we gotta put that in the thing.
Oh,
So
in
go-
that one...
Yeah.
I gotcha.
Nope, you're not going the right... Nope. Yeah, nope. The ladder.
There's
Go
a
down
ladder.
The ladder.
I know there's a ladder.
You ain't
Yeah,
going
you're
down.
going down it.
He's probably gonna touch us.
In a special spot. Or special spot.
What happened? There's like no face anymore.
Because he shot it off with his own hand.
Alright.
I'm confused.
Just go back up the ladder.
Why?
Why'd he kill himself, you know?
I bet he just wanted to be friendly.
Alright, go. That way.
Oh.
Hey boy, it's me again. Ow. Oh gosh.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Sorry.
Where are we? They kinda destroyed their house.
They destroyed their own house.
What the? What?
I'm not getting it. Oh, phone call.
Where is it?
Hey boy, it's me again. Saying, I was kind of rude. Ooh.
Did my daddy give you a hard time?
That's your father?
He used to be.
I'm sorry, but he's dead now.
You just might be able to pull this off.
What? Pull what off?
There's something I need you to do, but I can't explain it right now. You may need some sort of keys to do it, but find a way out of the house.
Okay.
I'll be in touch.
Pitch.
Looks like a tree head with the head in it.
Oh gosh.
Oh, okay.
That was scary.
So we gotta find some heads, you know?
I'm not reading.
Yep, me neither.
Oh, look, a little movie.
Oh.
Ancient Penny. No way!
Wow.
It's not gonna work.
You gotta do something. Look, you just go like this. Watch. You go.
No, you're supposed to put the shadow as the bird.
Oh. So we need to find a little bird. So we just need and some 3 dog heads.
Nice try.
I know. Oh!
Great job! We got a weapon.
Yeah, but look at us now. We're in a shut off little area.
Child.
What? It's locked.
Oh man,
Oh,
we
we-
have to find something.
We need something that would go there.
It's like Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones. Oh, look at that dude.
Grandma?
Oh, it's Granny. Hey, Grandma.
Shooter.
Shooter. No.
Oh, it won't let you.
Won't let you shoot Grandma.
I'll go that way. With your grandma's like, hey. Is it? Ew, some weird lesbian.
It might have some use.
Oh, the Browns.
Chicago Browns.
The
Oh,
cat eyes
cat.
move. Look.
Oh, they don't.
Yeah, they do. Cat.
Maybe turn around.
Okay, quit looking at the cat.
Alright.
Oh, Grandma has a room next. Or
Well, Grandma has a room. That's a lot. No. The Browns.
Put it on.
maybe.
It's Daddy's hobby. What the?
Yeah, you know, funny how we're talking about the brown. Oh,
Oh, it's a nice day out.
it's funny how we're talking about the Browns and there's an orange helmet.
Well, there was an orange helmet behind us.
Oh no.
Oh, there's Mom. Alright. Maybe open up that basket right there.
You gotta
Break
break
it with the... Oh, yeah!
Is that how loud that was, my bro?
No, what?
Oh. Oh.
Alright, just go back inside.
Now look at we're up top.
Yeah.
A lunch bag. Now we can have a lunch. There's a door behind you. Door. There. Yeah.
A bathtub with
Chili fries.
Yeah. Is that black?
Oh, there's some you could open.
I just went, oh.
Oh, another
ancient
one.
Coin.
We're getting a collection going.
Yes. Bop her in. Granny's probably
oh.
important.
Come on.
Nothing. Alright, leave.
Why? You're not hurt.
Yes, I was.
How bad?
Oh.
Wooden.
What?
It's just.
Alright.
I knew it.
Hey.
Heck of a thing, man. Sure shit beats the hell out of dying. My little girl has given us a gift.
Oh!
What the?
As you can see, the family is only part of her gift. Which, in a word, means
Oh.
Oh!
you're fucked.
Oh!
Where do we go?
Out the door! Gosh dang it.
Wait.
Go in there. Go in there. Oh.
how nice it looks.
Wait, there's stuff you can pick up in there.
Yeah, but he's in there.
Just give him a little hey. Pick it up before he comes after you. All right, never mind. Just run.
I'm an old man, son. You can't take on an old man.
Try that.
Try that. No, don't try that. This is stressful.
Why should I go that way? I'm scared.
No, what are you?
Have it your way.
Have it your
Okay,
way.
he's not coming after you.
It's going that way.
All right, go in there. All right. Oh,
Me.
put it in. Put it in. Pop her in. Great. We're back on this. Back on track. Yeah.
2017.
Who has a cassette player?
Please watch this.
Ethan.
How long have we been recording?
Tomado. Ito
An
tomado.
hour long.
Oh, great.
Is
What?
it gonna start?
Press A.
I am.
Press W. Oh. Hey. I said that too much.
Ethan, if you find this, I know I can't expect anything from you. Not after what happened. After what I did.
Hey.
I just want you to know that wasn't me. I don't know what happened. There's so much that you need to know.
There you are. You gave us quite a scare, young lady.
Oh,
Touch me again.
what's with the music?
Babies. We little babies. Oh,
I'll be in the middle.
no. Come on.
You can do it.
Go that way. Go that way.
Over here, Mommy.
Nope. Yep. We got a lot of sawdust.
Come on.
You got a sawdust problem.
Get.
I am sick and tired of you. Sick and tired of your bullshit.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Get back to your room right now.
What?
No. I played enough. Have a go.
No,
You haven't
no,
played
no.
it all.
I played a little bit.
Get playing.
Why do I have to play this part? Come back, guys. Come back.
Get back here. He's doing the circle instead of the plank.
Meg.
Who's that?
Fun things to hide behind. Oh.
Oh, those
Quick turn.
candles were a good thing that were going out.
Oh. Really?
Yeah.
Alright. Come on, sit down. Take
I'll
a
be in
seat.
the middle.
No, you won't. I will.
Jeez, press continue.
Maybe I can hide behind this.
I am sick and tired.
Let's see your room.
Sick.
Hi! Whoa!
Don't move.
I need to hide.
Why are you putting me through this? What have I done to deserve this except open my home and feed you?
Don't move.
It's like out
I
loud.
don't understand
Go.
you and all this.
Other way.
This house.
No. Hi.
Just don't understand.
Just hide.
Or is it that you just don't care?
Hey. I'm not out
I
here.
know you and Zoe are plotting. I know you were scheming. Think I don't know what you want to do with that boy, Ethan?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Just stay there.
Oh. Please don't come over here.
No, don't come over here.
Hey. We're cousins. He's coming. Oh, no. 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 Please leave.